Thanks for returning to watch this video on Gumshoe Tech. I had a couple questions asked of me, and one is QEMU. How do you get that working for openSUSE? So here I am installing Slowroll, a Tumbleweed derivative, in Proxmox. That's my hypervisor of choice. And you got to make sure that you select that QEMU when you create the VM. Now here I'm going to go through and just quickly install this Slowroll on Proxmox. Here we go, already done. I didn't want to go through all those boring steps. Drop down to console and type in sudo correctly. Do your update first. Then you'll notice that Discover wants to update. Hit no, don't do your updates through Discover. But you definitely want to make sure you do your update before you make sure that the QEMU client is installed on your Tumbleweed Slowroll Leap. And I'm just dropping the QEMU guest agent. Install via sudo zypper in QEMU-guest-agent. It's installed. Then you're going to have to enable QEMU. Now, prepping for this, I actually didn't have it enabled on my Frigate install, and I have another video for doing Frigate with Tumbleweed. Absolutely easy to install Frigate on Tumbleweed with, if you have an Intel card, so you can do OpenVINO. Absolutely works best, better than actually doing Coral TPUs. I ran Coral TPUs for many years, and I always had high CPU usage on those Coral TPMs. Once I went to OpenVINO, my CPU usage went down. And the other option, or the other request of me was, how does OPI work on Slowroll? It works good. I don't have any issues with it. I have Slowroll on my desktop. But there are people that say, you know, once in a while doing OPI, it could be off a little bit because OPI is really geared towards Tumbleweed directly. I'm not sure about Slowroll, but I do run Slowroll OPI. I haven't ever noticed an issue. So if you have seen an issue with OPI on Slowroll, please let me know. It's great for the channel, great content, and put it in the comments below and let everyone know if you know of an issue with OPI on Slowroll. So just going through installing all the basics for OPI here, nothing special, just OPI and the codexes. Those are the only things I really run off of OPI. I don't run anything special. I do have an NVIDIA card. I don't install that from OPI. I just do the standard install on zypper for NVIDIA CUDA because as everyone knows, I'm a DaVinci Resolve fanboy. I've purchased DaVinci Resolve. Absolutely love DaVinci Resolve. Do about, I don't know, 4 or 5 videos a week on that. I don't get paid for it or anything. I just have a hobby. I actually don't watch a lot of TV. TV is, I don't know, boring now. There's almost nothing to watch. So I play around with openSUSE, Tumbleweed, Slowroll, Micro OS, and then do some stuff for other videos on different channels for people that have asked me to help them, friends of the family, whatnot. So yeah, it's OPI is super easy to do, and I think this is a great little video that shows that OPI installs on Slowroll really easy. So if you like content like this, I will be working on my next video, which should be Technetium. I haven't had too much time to work on the Technetium install, but thank you. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.